G'day, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4 and this is an anniversary video. Yes, 12 months of Team Low Range 4x4. Not only that, we're the best part of 6 months into 2019 and because of that, I'm going to review that first. All right, let's get straight into it. First things first, 2019 rocked in hard and I was ready to go hit the ground running. So when I announced that 2019 was going to be a great year and trips are all over the place, I also made a big bold claim that I would love to achieve 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2019. So let's have a look together right now at the grand total as of this video, how many subscribers we've managed to achieve. Alright. I keep telling myself it's a marathon, not a sprint. Though I am quite hoping at the end of the year, people get on their devices or use their mouses and start clicking away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. And I'm not ashamed at all. Most YouTubers these days are all about the amount of subscribers and hours watched, and it's very important. And if you can look it up yourself on YouTube if you really need to know why. It really gives us opportunities for sponsorship and all those kinds of things that make big trips possible, especially when funds are a bit tight, and they are in our case as well. So as I just mentioned, we're not great in those numbers. So I'm going to do something I don't normally do and ask once again for everyone to jump on board and subscribe, like, and comment below. And of course, I wish to make great content for you guys out there, and more four-wheel driving is on the way. Of course, I made that claim last time and I brought you Muddy Mayhem. I hopefully you enjoyed that video. Link in the description below. And I'm going to give you this opportunity as I keep looking down here because I'm thinking someone's going to comment or subscribe. So comment and subscribe. I'll give you this moment in time. I'm just going to do the subscribe dance. Subscribe. I think it's down here somewhere. I think there's, I don't know where it is. It's not on the screen. You got to look where it says subscribe, and I think there's a bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. You got to hit that too, because that's when we pop up. And as you know, if you watch these videos regularly, we're a bit far between. It's like, hey, echo. Yes. All right, enough ridiculousness. I have to put an end to those shenanigans. So please do share and subscribe. It will mean the world to us, the world. All right, now we're moving on to our 12-month review. And I'm going to start off with the fact, why did I make this channel in the first place? And if you don't know, I got together with a crew called BBS. They're unfortunately no longer around. Most of them sold their four-wheel drives and moved on to bigger and better things, other adventures, so to speak. However, I still got my Hilux, and I enjoy it every single time I go out in the bush, and even on the commute to work. So initially I made that video with them. I had never done any proper four-wheel driving before, and we did Monkey Gum, and I'll link it in the description below. BBS Monkey Gum 2017, and yes, you can check it out for yourself. I don't particularly thought it was shot well and stuff, and that's basically at the end of the day was done for myself and the crew that went along. So when I saw it got a few views and they shared it around, and I was quite happy, and I should put a picture up on how many views it's currently got. It's a bit stagnant these days because at the end of the day I've moved all my content to this channel, and I guess no one's really looking for that original video. So back to the point, why did I make the channel? I enjoyed making that video and I wanted to make more. I was hoping and building my inventory of bits and pieces for four-wheel driving so I could actually go solo, and that's what I do most times these days. I'm out in the bush, as you can see right now, enjoying it and filming this video. What is the future going to hold? Because we're still sort of moving that way. You don't know, this is not my full-time job. I actually have a full-time job, and when I'm not dealing with that full-time job, I'm actually doing the domestic family thing, and then life, and then Team Low Range at this stage. And I'm really hoping to change all that and make more consistent videos. And you guys can help me. So I'm going to have another opportunity right now for you guys to jump on board and subscribe. That's what's going to change things, subscribing. When you subscribe and share around, I don't know, this is a subscribe dance now. Hopefully it becomes a big hit. I don't know, subscribe. I feel stupid doing that actually. All right, I've got another review of the BF Goodrich KO2s coming up. Why? Why do I have that? I already said in a previous video about them, I was getting new tires. And I have to. That's right, I have to get new tires. Hilux went in for a service recently and my mechanic said, all right, you need two things. Everything else is perfect, you need two things. A new battery, and you got 1 mil left on your tires. And you're gonna have to get new tires before the next service. And I'm about 4,000 Ks in from that service at the moment. So, and look, you'll wait for the video. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. It's going to be my final, it's going to be an in-depth video about the KO2s, my time with it, scenes, four-wheel driving with it, really close-ups about the wear and tear, and I'm going to basically give you my whole experiences in a nutshell on that. And hopefully you guys will enjoy that video. I'm going to be shooting that in the not too distant future. Noel is interested too. He's got that little monkey on his back, the demon on his shoulder, whatever you want to call it. The monkey gum demon. Oh, it's monkey. Monkey makes more sense, yes. He's got the monkey on his back. Yeah, monkey. For monkey gum. So we're definitely going to try and achieve that when it gets a bit warmer. We're going to do that after the Sydney Four-Wheel Driving and Adventure Expo. If I haven't already mentioned that, I'll be attending. Let's wind this up. One more opportunity to subscribe and share. Thumbs up. This is ridiculous. I'm so ridiculous. What am I doing with my hands? It's a weird day out in the bush today. Finally, here we go. I've put a 12-month highlight video of four-wheel driving moments with myself and everybody else who's come along, and I'm going to put that in this next section of the video. All right, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the track.
Ha ha!